Students, how are you? कैसे हैं आप सब? Already I have finished CAS book in my previous 1 to 8 video, and today I'm going to start PT CAS book, day 1 video. Okay, this is chapter 10 of your book, class 11. Okay, now I'm going to give you concept of petty cash book. What is petty cash book? At first you will understand it, and then you can do it very well without any problem in the examination. Try to understand the petty cash book, meaning of it first, then you can do it very well without any hesitation. Okay, I think you are unable to see it. I think you can see it very well. Okay, what is petty cash book? Okay, PT means what? Chota, small. Okay, in cash book I already have told you big cash book means big transaction. In petty cash book you will do as small transactions. I think you are unable, I think you can see it. Small transaction you will record. Petty cash book is the book which is used for the purpose of recording petty expenses. Which expenses? Only petty expenses. It is like petty cash account in which details of the receipt and payments of petty cash are entered. It is prepared by petty cashier. Okay. When you will do the practical sums, then you will get more knowledge regarding this petty cash book. How will you do it? Now I am going to give you some concept of advantage. What is advantage of petty cash book? Try to understand the advantage of it. Advantage of petty cash book. Okay. Which type of advantage? Why we will do petty cash book? What is the reason in this matter? At first is save time. Save time. Petty cash is maintained by lower staff. Which staff? Lower staff. Thus, save time of the main cashier. Second, division of what? Division of work. Division of work. Payment for petty cash expenses are normally large in number. Okay. By maintaining a petty cash book, work of handling cash is divided. Okay. 3 number. Control. It provides control over all payments. Okay, how which type of payments you are doing by cash, it will control. Convenience in convenience in preparing ledger account. Preparing ledger account. Convenience in preparing ledger account. The totals are only taken to post them into the ledger. The total amount post them into the ledger. Okay. No necessary details are given. Okay, it is convenient to post this directly into the ledger without any problem. Okay, so in this video you have understood the concept of petty cash book. In next video I will discuss system of petty cash book. What is system of petty cash book? What is impress system of petty cash book? Advantage of impress system. Each and everything you will understand in next video. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to share and subscribe of this channel.